Hello everyone. I'm hanging out with Smudge and Eve is huffing in the background. And I thought I'd show you guys how to dig out pain in the hands, which we don't think about very often. We use our hands a lot, obviously, and arthritis can be quite horrific in the hands. I mean, when you have arthritis in the joints, as you know, if you have it, the joints start to go different directions. They don't bend like they used to. But there's muscles in those hands that can get tight. And with arthritis, deep tissue massage is fantastic with it. It digs it out and takes some of that swelling and that pain away. So what you need is a chair, or my preference actually is a kitchen counter. All right, but we're here, so might as well use the chair. If you're using a chair like me, please hip bend, sink back into those hips. Don't just lock out the knees and bend forward because your back isn't going to like that too much. You take that massage ball or tennis ball, okay, and generally speaking, this muscle right here in the thumbs, very, very grouchy, very, very grumpy about it. So what I want you to do is you're going to put your hand on that ball and then just lean your body weight over top of it, okay? Try to relax your hand and gentle pressure here. You know, last week when you're digging out the calves and you're digging out the hamstrings, you can put your whole body weight into it and you can breathe through that pain. Hands are not like that, all right? They will punch you in the face if you make them angry. So I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, you're looking about a 3 or 4 for pressure rather than about a 7, which is what we're using on the hamstrings and the calves. What we're looking for is still, though, a little bit of pain, like a knot in that hand. And when you find it, just dig it out. Breathe, try to relax, and just dig out those little tender spots. You can, of course, go to the palm. You can go to the outside of the hand. You can go to the knuckles as well. While you're digging out the hand, just think, instead of being here, okay, trying to push down, lean forward so that your body weight can be used as that pressure, and then it doesn't put so much strain on the shoulder itself. Okay, switching to that other side. I like to make a gentle fist with my hand and my arm that's supporting me, just so that, because if you're in this position, if you have arthritis in the wrist, it might be a little painful. So this helps. Please ignore my double jointed elbows. If you want to be grossed out right now, I can just swing that elbow in any direction. So just try to ignore that while I'm teaching you this stuff with the hands. That gentle pressure. Try not to do this. Okay? Try not to spread out those hands and dig like that. It's tricky. I want you to relax. Relax those hands. Let the joints release, because if you have relaxed muscles, you can get into them a little bit deeper. Okay? So, do about a minute on each side, and you'll feel very, very quickly that you're like, oh yeah, that actually does help quite a bit. Okay? If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.